Hi guys, this is Jess from Very Nice. Today I'm going to go over a quick tutorial on how to get files from your computer onto a USB drive. This will be primarily focused around the Janome machines because they do something a little bit different in regards to formatting so you can see your files on the machine. So what you want to do to start off is you want to take your new USB drive, or any USB drive really, doesn't have to be new, and you want to plug it into your computer. Now it's going to come up with a window, hopefully it should automatically come up with a window like this, and you'll see that it's selected USB drive F down here for me. So I'm going to right click on that because we want to format this drive. So you're going to click on format, and then you're going to make sure that the file system says FAT32, and it's just a quick format, and click start. Now if this is an older USB drive that has files on it that you want to save, you're best to click cancel, go in, move all the files off, and then go back through this process, because if you click OK, it's just going to delete everything and you won't get it back. So once you're ready, just click OK, it'll start formatting it. It doesn't take very long, which is really good. There's no need for a huge format on these drives. So it's all done, so we click close. What I want to do is I never just straight away unplug my USB drives because I don't want it to corrupt the drive or any files that are on it, even though this is a blank one. So I'm going to reopen that window. I'm going to go down and find it, and then I'm just going to click in the white space if this menu here is not up, and click manage and eject. And that will mean that the computer preps the USB drive to be taken off, and you just wait a bit. Normally it'll give you a pop-up, but for some reason this morning it hasn't been doing that for me. But the window itself has closed, so I'm just going to unplug that. So what you want to do is you want to take this USB drive, you want to make sure your Janome is off, and you want to plug that drive into your machine. Once it's plugged in, you can turn on your Janome. It's going to format this drive. It's going to create folders that are necessary for it to be able to read all the files that you need. So if you were moving a birth details file over from your computer onto your USB drive, it needs to be in a specific folder for the Janomes to be able to read it. So once you've done that, you can unplug the USB drive from your machine. There's no eject or anything like that, so that's fine. And then you can put it back into your computer and then transfer all your files into the appropriate folders. Now I've got another USB drive because when I first got my machine I formatted 2 drives, and the one I'm going to plug in is actually for my brother, but I just didn't reformat it because the brother can still read the files. So alright, it's coming up here. So as you can see, it's got 2 files. So these are the files that will appear off an MB4. Each machine is going to produce different files. So with the MB4, I'm going to go into the EMB file, and there'll be an EMBF file, so you go into that. And this is where I've put all of my files that I've been working with. So what I want to do is, I'm just going to open up another window. So to do that, I've got like a little Windows key on my keyboard, and I hold that down and press E, and it will bring up a new window. So I've saved all my designs in a separate folder, and all you need to do is left click and drag it into your USB drive, and it's going to copy it over, and it should appear at the bottom once it's done. So after that you want to click on the USB drive and then click in the white space to bring up this manage box, and then you're going to click eject and wait a bit and it'll disappear. Then you can unplug the drive and you can put it into your machine and browse to that EMBF folder, and your designs should be sitting in there. I hope that helps clarify anything. It is a little bit different to like the Brothers, where you can just format them and chuck the files onto the drive and it will pick them up straight away. So if you have any issues, please do write a note in the comments and I'll try and help you out. But I run a Brother PR655C and a Janome MB4, so more than happy to help you out with anything that you're having issues with on that front. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. Please do like this video because it helps a lot, and if you see a little bell icon, please click that as well because it'll let you know when I've released new videos. Otherwise, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.